Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. If you notice, we didn't send a weekly update because our awesome team admin, team mom, Kathy, was on vacation. So when she's not here, obviously, there's a lot of things that might not get done because she's so great at her job that sometimes we forget. Anyway, so we're back. And today's story that we want to share is really, or my random fact, is regarding one of our plants, right? If you follow me on Instagram, you notice that about a week ago we have these agaves at our house, and one of them started sprouting a flower in the middle. And so as I posted it, people replied back, and when that happens, the actual plant is about to die. And so what happens is this flower grows in the center and grows aggressively fast. I mean, in the last 3-4 days, it's probably grown about 3 or 4 inches with no exaggerating. I mean, it's incredible how fast it grows. And so what happens is this thing shoots up like a beautiful flower and then just dies kind of, unfortunately, right away. And we've been caring for these agaves for 3-4 years, however long we've been in our house. So the analogy is, our goal is to continue to water things and they grow at their time, not have this spur and look beautiful for a very short period and then all of a sudden be gone. And really that's how we've hopefully maintained our business and our relationships with you and with all those that are around us. It's the slow and steady wins the race. So with that being said, let's get started. We want to first congratulate some of the families that got keys. So Arturo and Denise. Who else? And I'm Egyptian, so if I butcher Hispanic names, please forgive me. The Cazares family, and I'm sorry if I butchered it. Congratulations, you became homeowners. We also want to congratulate our Rustic Hill, our Spyglass seller. We sold, I want to say it was 12% above the initial list price. So 12%, it's about it was $95,000 above what we were originally going to ask for the property. So again, this market is just incredible. If you're thinking about selling, maybe you're thinking about relocating, this is just by far in the 17 years or so I've been licensed, the craziest, best time for a seller to sell because of this reason. I mean, anyways. Well, you probably know that. You've probably been following us hopefully for some time. Next, we have some home buyer workshop for those buyers that want to buy. And the reason why it's such a great time to sell is because buyers want to take advantage of these low interest rates. And so when you have really low interest rate, money is cheap, even though prices are high, payments are still, manageable relative to the rents that are also available out there. So if you're interested in buying, we have a workshop that's coming up. We also actually have a workshop on demand. So just like you Netflix a show, we have our Netflix of our home buyer workshop. So if you're interested, let us know and we'll get that over to you. We have a few properties that are for sale. We have this parcel of land to build your dream home in Whittier on Honolulu Terrace. We have a townhome in Bellflower that will be coming, I think, the first week of June. We have another townhome in Habra that should be on the market, I think, end of next week. We have one in Whittier that's a 3-bedroom, and the one in Hacienda Heights that's coming up as well. So if you're interested in purchasing, we maybe have the home that you're looking for, so just let us know. With that being said, one last thing, I know kind of ran a little bit long. We have our Mother's Day giveaway. Again, Kathy wasn't here, and so she would normally manage these great things for us. And she was on vacation, and so we are doing it Friday. Friday's the 21st. So we're gonna do a live for the moms that were nominated. We haven't forgot about you. We just wanted to make it extra special. So it'll be Friday, tomorrow, that we're gonna be doing this giveaway. And we're giving away 3 things. Couture Salon gave away a facial and a few other things. See, I don't know much about women's beauty. The Nail Garden, Maddie and Petty, and then the Balloon Maven that is giving away a balloon arrangement. So Friday, tomorrow, 6 in the evening, we'll send you details if you want to participate in our Facebook Live, and I think we'll have it on IG Live as well. With that being said, Kathy, welcome back. Happy May for all those, since it's the first video for May, and we look forward to seeing you hopefully soon.